Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set a limit order on Luno. So are you looking to buy or sell crypto at your own price? If you're this, in this quick guide I'll show you how to set a limit order using the Luno mobile app. It's a perfect way to trade smarter, buy low or sell high without constantly watching the market. So before we begin, here's a quick refresher. A limit order allows you to set the exact price at which you want to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. Unlike a market order, it won't execute instantly. It only completes when the market hits your target price. So start by opening the Luno mobile app and signing in with your credentials or biometric login. Now at the bottom of the screen, go ahead and tap on the Explore tab or the Markets tab. So depending on your app version. So if you have verified this account, all right, you're going to see a list of available trading pairs. So you're going to see under the crypto categories. All right, so you're going to see a list of available trading pairs that you can definitely combine. So just go ahead and select any of the trading pairs, and once you select your trading pairs like BTC or ZAR or ETH/USD, stuff like that. So find the trading pair you want to use, rather. For example, Ethereum to USD or Bitcoin to your local currency, and tap on it. Now once you tap on the trading pair, go ahead and tap on the trade button. Then select either buy or sell depending on what you want to do. Now by default, the app usually shows a market order. So go ahead and tap the drop down or button that says market order and switch it to limit order. Now it's time to enter your order details. Set the limit price. This is the exact price you want to buy or sell at. And the amount, enter how much crypto you want to buy or sell. Luno will show you an estimated total based on your inputs. Now double check your order details, then tap place order to confirm. You may need to verify the action with the PIN or biometric authentication depending on your security settings. Once your order is placed, it will appear under the orders tab, either on the trading screen or on the wallet, right into on the portfolio and right into open orders. Now it will stay pending until the market reaches your specified price. You can also cancel the order anytime before it's executed. Luno charges lower fees for limit orders compared to instant buys or sells, making a smart choice for active traders. And there you have it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.